My name is Mina, and so my friend Molly is going to be teaching you how to basically cook breakfast now.
So, hi, my name is Molly. I'm going to do a lot of videos for you for the past few days. And right now, I'm going to teach you how to make breakfast while your parents are sleeping. First, you need a bowl that is round, and make sure it's not made out of glass because that's easier to break. And then you have a bowl of cereal. What you're going to do is just pour it in just a little. Don't put too much in. I'll say that's enough. And then you're going to take the milk. I like a lot of milk, but you do you. Probably really heavy. First you have to open the cap, but mine's already open. And then you're going to pour it in. Not too much, not too little. Now you're going to get a spoon. And I usually like to make mine nice and crispy by putting it under water, more under milk. And that is how you make breakfast.